26 CR 921 Trammell appearances.
Daniel Cohn on behalf of the people. Mr. Trammell is present.
Pro se.
On bond, pro se. Looks like last time we were in court, he was asking for extra time to potentially hire counsel.
I had, on April 6th, I indicated to you that you should apply for the public defender's office. Did you do that?
Yes, ma'am. No, I did not.
Didn't qualify?
In that time, a lot has transpired.
Okay.
Did you get the notice that I submitted into the case?
The letter?
Yes.
Did you get it, Mr. Cohen?
Let me check real quick. Yes, I do see that.
So your, did you have first and foremost, I'll indicate to you that I am not an administrative law judge.
Okay.
All right. But it looks like based on what you were asking in here is that you're asking for restitution. That is not something that can be done out of this case.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
And you're invoking a number of other,
Yes, I mean, given the nature that there's no injured party or no damage to property, I have a concern with an administrative court hearing
I'm not an
judicial matter.
administrative court.
You're not, this is not an administrative?
No, this is part of the judicial branch. This is
an
not part
Article
of
3
the,
court?
excuse me?
This is an Article 3. We're in Article 3 court.
This is not an administrative court.
Are
This
we
is
in an
a
Article
part of
3
the-
court?
I mean,
That's just a simple question. I'm not trying to be difficult. I want to know what I'm walking into before
Your Honor,
I'm not trying to be difficult at all.
I would just ask
Given the
that,
nature of what's going on here, I need to know exactly what I'm,
so last time we were in court, this court agreed to continue, but said the court would expect to move forward on this date. At this point, the people would just ask that the court enter a not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Trammell and set it for a disposition date. It sounds like Mr. Trammell has some philosophical beliefs about the system that don't exactly match with the facts of his situation, but that's neither here nor there.
you're citing the United States Constitution and we're governed here.
Absolutely.
I'm appointed by the state. So
Absolutely.
this is not a federal court. This is a
But
state court. So no, this is not an Article 3 court. This is a state court. All right. This is not under the United States Constitution. I am not appointed. I wasn't nominated or confirmed by any federal body. This is a state court. So
Yeah, but
no, this is
did you
not.
take an oath to the Constitution? And are these state rules repugnant to that oath? That's the only question I
Yes,
have.
yes, there are state rules, and you are charged in this case with having a dangerous weapon, possessing a dangerous weapon, and having a large capacity magazine, which is prohibited. That's what you're charged with under the state law. So how do you want to move forward? You don't have an attorney. We're currently set for a appearance of counsel. So let's go ahead and set this for arraignment.
Set for arraignment?
Yes, so at that point, or you can do that today if you'd like. Plead
No.
guilty, you can either reach an agreement or you can enter a not guilty plea. Do you want to enter a not guilty plea?
No, I do not.
What do you want to do today?
What I'm saying is,
Set this for another arraignment. I need more time to figure out what.
So why don't we come back next Friday at 8:30, and at that time, it'll be set for arraignment. All right?
Friday?
Friday, the 29th.
Can we do the following Friday?
That's the following Friday is the 5th. Do you have an objection?
No objection.
June 5th at 8:30,
Thank you.
and that'll be for arraignment.
nice.
Great.
Thank you, sir.
I see Mr. Trammell in the back. Who's here on Mr. Trammell? Which one of you? No, he's not represented by counsel. All right, are you guys ready? Mr. Santos, Mr. Trammell? Mr. Trammell, come on up.
Thanks.
26 CR 921 Trammell appearances.
Anthony Santos for the people.
And let the record reflect that we have Mr. Trammell here. We're set for arraignment today. Mr. Trammell, how would you like to move forward?
First of all, Your Honor, is this a court of record? Can I get a stenographic report of this proceeding?
No, we don't do stenographic recording. There's an FTR machine. It is being recorded. If you want a transcript after this hearing, you can request it.
Yes.
How do you want to move forward? Do you want to enter a plea of not guilty so that we can get this case moving? Or do you want to reach a disposition and enter a plea of guilty? How would you like to move forward?
Can you repeat that, please?
We're setting arraignment today.
Yes.
At arraignment, you can either plead guilty or not guilty
Guilty or not guilty to what?
to the charges.
Which are?
You are charged in this case with possession of a dangerous weapon and large capacity magazine prohibited. And let me make sure that I give you the state statutory cites. Possession of a dangerous weapon pursuant to 1812-102 subsection 3, large capacity magazine prohibited during crime, 1812-302 subsection 1, subsection 1AC. Now, what is your plea? Guilty or not guilty?
I'm gonna just plead guilty or not guilty. I have a question. I do have a right to know the cause and the nature of this.
You can do
particular
that.
offense.
You're not going to do that today in court. You can seek discovery. You can communicate with the district attorney's office and you can ask for discovery. How are you moving forward today? Guilty or not guilty? That's what we're doing today. It's you're set for arraignment. I told you last time we were here, you wanted to, if you wanted to
understand
apply for an attorney, you didn't
understand.
want one?
However, under the Sixth Amendment, I do have a right to know. It affords and guarantees me the right to know the cause and nature of this particular action.
Sir,
Ma'am.
you're
and it
set
is
for
your duty
arraignment.
to tell me what the cause and nature of the action.
You're
is.
set for
Is
arraignment.
this a criminal or civil offense?
This is a criminal offense.
Okay, so
sir.
under the Constitution, there's two jurisdictions. One is under the common law and the other one is a condition of contract on the colorable elements of a.
I
admiralty
know
jurisdiction.
whether or not you're
Which
getting
two
your.
of these jurisdictions will you
Let me
hear
tell
this
you what
case
you're
from?
not going to do today, Mr. Trammell. You are not going to interrupt me when I'm speaking. Do you understand me?
I'm not interrupting you.
Okay. Now, you are here for arraignment. And I'm
Totally
going to ask
understand
you
that, but you're not answering my questions. I can't adequately answer the question until
here
you
for
answer
two
mine.
criminal charges. Okay?
Okay, so is this common law or are we under the tolerable jurisdiction?
These are statutory, this is
Okay, but
statutory.
you're not answering my
This is not
question.
common law.
You're not answering my question. And I'm not interrupting you. I'm not being loud. I'm asking you a simple question. It's my right to know. And you're not
Sir?
telling me.
Sir, you are here pursuant to statutes. Okay?
You did not answer my question.
Okay. Sir, common law. Now, do you
Common
plead,
law?
do you plead guilty or not guilty?
Okay, so
sir?
we're under the common law. Where is the injured party? Under the
Sir?
common law.
Sir, the people are the injured party in this case. How do you plead guilty or
We'll put
not
the
guilty?
people on the bench then.
You're going to enter a plea of not guilty today.
So
We're
now
going to
you're
set you for
practicing law from
trial.
the bench, aiding the prosecution?
Where's the paperwork? Not
The
guilty
record
plea
reflect that
enters
Your Honor
today.
is practicing law from the bench and aiding the prosecution.
December 5th, 2026. Motions are due on July 6th, 2026. Your disposition date is scheduled for July 27th at 8:30.
You said July 6th?
July 6th, your motions are due.
And what was the other date?
And July 27th, you're set for disposition. If testimonial motions are filed,
27th?
the 27th of July. If you file testimonial motions, I'll set a motions hearing then. Thank you. Your speedy trial again is actually December 4th. We'll see you on July 27th. Thank you. Bond continues.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Alex,
Ma'am.
I want you to record everything.
I'm politely asking you to stand up, please.
But
Please
I
stand
don't
up.
want to.
I don't care if you want to or not, ma'am. I'm
Me
asking you
neither.
politely to stand up.
But I don't care what you want.
right, I'm gonna need
Leave
you to
me.
stand up, please.
Leave. Alex, please record everything. Record everything.
Get her up. This is being,
Record everything I
we're
said.
recording. It's on body camera.
No.
It's
Leave
on
me
body
alone.
cam, ma'am. Please stand up.
Okay, once more.
No.
To this
Let's go. Stand her
gentleman
up.
who is a
Stand her
lawyer
up.
for
Stand her
Hillsborough.
up. Stand her up. Let's go.
Ma'am, stand up.
You
please.
have no
All right.
right to touch me. Leave me alone.
Place your hands behind your back. Ma'am, place
My
your hands
hand
behind.
hurts me.
Okay, can you place your arm
Leave
behind
me-
your back?
No, leave me alone. You have no right to arrest me. You have no right. No, I'm not this, I'm just visiting here. You got my papers from me. That's a crime. That's a crime. I'm just visiting here. You received,
Oscar 64993.
ask them to leave me free. Ask them to leave me free. No, you didn't answer
Can you mark
my
the time for
question.
100, please?
My
For
basic
87.
free woman questions. You haven't answered even one question. You are harassing me here. I came to visit and you harassing me by asking your people who are working for the same company as you to put and handcuff me and harass me.
130. Yes, Your Honor.
Leave me alone. No, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Go ahead, sir.
No. I want the contract. Show me the contract that I'm giving you the consent.
When you're
to
clear,
that.
I can bring the elevator up to you.
No. Who is? No. I'm not agreeing to that. I don't give you the agreement to that. You are representing a private company, all of you.
Let's walk her over. Let's walk her over.
You're representing a private company. Alex, take my document. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, traitors. Leave me alone. I want my papers with me. You're hurting me.
We're not hurting you.
You're hurting me. Leave me alone.
Grab the door, please.
I want my belongings with
We
me.
have them with you now.
Mel Stash.
This is a crime. Crime. That's a crime. You're doing crime. I'm already in contact with special people. You're gonna get papers soon.
Okay, that's
about
fine.
that. Show me the contract that you have power over me. Hello, do you have jurisdiction over me? You have no jurisdiction over me. Show me that you have personal jurisdiction over me. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I want jurisdiction over me written on the paper. I'm a free woman. No, I'm not mad. I'm a free
No,
woman.
you're fine. We'll take her.
I am free
We'll just bring
woman.
the elevator up.
Show me you have jurisdiction over me.
Okay. We're done talking.
Show me you have jurisdiction over me. Show me you have jurisdiction over me.
And you're making it worse.
Let's
No, I
bring
don't
her in here
care.
for now.
Show me you have jurisdiction over me. You are a private company. Why you? Show me that you have jurisdiction over me.
Step inside, please.
Leave me alone. Do you want to rape me here? What do you want from me?
Everything's being recorded, man.
We have blood orange.
Wow, do you want to rape me?
Certainly don't.
Well, I don't want you to touch me.
Well,
I didn't give you
You've been
consent to
resisting
touch
since the
me.
second we told you
You're
you were
touching
placed
my
under arrest.
body.
The judge gave you
You are
three
touching.
opportunities.
No,
to
he's
act
just a
civilized.
lawyer working for a private company.
Give you three
He has no
opportunities to act
jurisdiction
civilized.
over me. He has no jurisdiction over me, and neither you.
Okay.
Leave me alone. Don't touch me.
Did we search
Don't
her?
touch me.
Ma'am?
Stop touching me.
Did we search her?
Why are you touching me?
Why don't we go ahead and search
Why
her?
are you touching
I have
me?
to take the,
Why are you touching my body?
I can unload this, so.
This is my handbag.
I
Leave my
understand.
It's not
handbag.
going anywhere.
This is my
It's staying with
private.
it's staying with your
This
belongings.
is my
ma'am.
private. You have no jurisdiction
It's
over
staying
me
with
to
your
do it.
belongings.
You have no jurisdiction over me to do it.
Just-
Don't touch me.
Just because you say it.
Don't touch my body. Why are you touching me?
Go ahead and search.
Why are you touching me?
Because we need to search you and send to arrest.
Ma'am, do you have
okay?
any sharp
No, why?
objects?
Because
Why?
you've been placed under arrest for contempt and resisting arrest.
No,
So,
no. To whom?
Okay.
To whom?
Ma'am,
You have no
do you have
jurisdiction.
anything
Show
sharp?
me a paper that you have
Do you have
jurisdiction
anything
over
sharp
me.
on you? Anything
Show
sharp,
me that
prodding?
you have jurisdiction over me.
Okay.
Show me that you have personal jurisdiction over me. You have no rights to do it. Don't touch me.
don't kick at her.
Don't kick.
I don't want her to touch me.
It doesn't matter.
She has no rights over
Yeah,
me.
absolutely
Leave
does.
me alone. Leave me alone. Take your hands from me.
Good. Search the bag.
Take your hands from me. Wow. You know that you work for company. He works for company and so-called Christopher, who calls himself a prosecutor. You work all of you for the same company. How one person, one company can judge another person who belongs to the same company? Think about that. He is not a judge. He is employee of Hillsborough. They gave him a judge title, but he is just a lawyer and works for the same company like you. Why he is giving orders to somebody who works for the same company? That's very unlawful. How you can do it? Leave my wallet. Leave my wallet. I have money in my wallet.
No one's taking your money.
No, I don't know. You're a
Well,
private
you know, because
company,
we're wearing body cameras, so everything's recorded.
you're taking all my rights as a woman, as a human, free woman. You're taking all my rights from me. Is everything being recorded? You're taking all my free woman with the existing soul, all my rights from me. A private company, Hillsborough company, registered on Dun and Broad Street. And
Stop.
bosses wanted me to be arrested. No, I can do what I want. I am a free woman.
There's consequences to your
I
actions.
am free woman. Really?
You had three.
640 Romeo 57.
Really?
You had three
You have-
chances.
Show me the jurisdiction over me. You don't have
You said
jurisdiction
you're bringing
over
that
me.
elevator up.
You don't have personal jurisdiction over free woman. I just came to visit here. I just came to visit here. Leave me alone. There are consequences to that too. Leave me alone. Everything has consequences. And you're working against free people. You're working against with the people. Stop
Yeah.
touching my hands. Stop touching my hands.
I'm not
You
touching
know,
your hands.
he wasn't answering my questions. He wasn't proving anything that he has jurisdiction over me. He didn't show me any contract, nothing. This is against my rights. As a free woman, against my rights. You know that. And you're doing everything against my rights too. Stop touching me. Did I allow you to touch me? Can you show me the contract stating that I'm allowing you, called police officer, to touch me?
You'll have all that paperwork when this is over.
You
You'll have all that paperwork
You
when
think
this
that
is
I
over.
have no rights? You think I have no rights? You think I have no rights because I'm free woman? You think I have no rights as corporation have rights over me? Oh, okay. Stop touching my hands.
No one's
And
touching your hands.
You are touching my
I'm
hands.
not. I'm touching your bicep area.
No, this is my hand. This is my hand.
No one's touching your hands.
Talking about
So you're touching my arm.
Okay.
Stop touching my arm. I don't want anybody who I don't know to touch my body.
Okay.
My body belongs to me, not to you. The same to you. My body belongs to me. Stop touching me. Stop
Ma'am.
touching me.
Stop.
Why? Just because a lawyer from Hillsborough told you to touch me? He has no personal jurisdiction over me. And you know that. He's just a lawyer. Same as the prosecutor working for the same company. Both of them work for the same company. And it's you as well, working for Hillsborough company. So Hillsborough
This
people...
is Princeton, just so you're aware. Okay.
I'm sorry,
It's okay.
Princeton.
It's all right.
Thank you.
No
You're
problem.
right. You're right. But he's from Hillsborough.
Okay.
He's not this
Girl, for one. Why don't you come here? Take control over it. We're gonna get her in the elevator.
Here's my stuff.
We will get your
No,
stuff.
I want everything to be with me.
What are you doing right now?
Princeton people.
Yeah, you just said we would grab your stuff.
Relax, come on, let's go.
Is there room or
You
no?
are doing something which
Wanna
is
walk around?
against my rights. My
Wanna walk around or
free
something?
rights.
Good.
Stop touching me
Relax.
if I want.
He's good. Right.
You guys are all locked up? Yes.
Where is my handbag?
It's
Yeah.
right here, everything's being audio and visually recorded.
Yeah, we're
okay?
good.
Relax.
You have no rights. Princeton people, correct.
That's the resistance.
Princeton people. I'm not resisting anything. I just came to visit here. By invitation. By invitation. I just came to visit the building.
Paperwork?
We'll get her.
Judge?
No, all of you in private. It's not.
Stop touching me. Why a lawyer of Hillsborough and police of Hillsborough is attempting to do wrong things against me? Why they touching my body? Why?
Nobody's doing
why
any
are
of
they?
that.
Why are they
No.
refusing my rights to be
Nobody's
free?
doing any of that.
Yes, you are.
You should have thought about that.
You are forcing me. You handcuffed me.
You're under arrest.
No, I'm
okay?
not.
You're
Because
under
of
arrest.
what? Show me the contract that I allow you to do it.
I don't know where you get that terminology.
Show me the contract that I allow you to do it.
Where's that terminology from?
Oh, corporation. Corporation works under a law, common law, a law of contract. Corporation works under
Give me community policing for one monument drive.
Stop touching me. I don't want those people to touch me, for the record. I didn't allow them, I didn't give them the contract to have any rights over me and touch my body. They put something on my hands, they touching my body, and I didn't allow them to do it. They're corporation and they have no clear contract with me allowing them to do whatever they do to me right now.
Judge, can I just be heard for 1 minute? Rule 110.1, summary contempt in the presence of the court. A judge conducting a judicial proceeding may adjudicate contempt summarily without an order to show cause if the conduct has obstructed or if continued would obstruct the proceeding. The conduct occurred in the actual presence of the judge, was actually seen or heard by the judge. The character of the conduct or its continuation after appropriate warning unmistakably demonstrates its willfulness. Immediate adjudication is necessary to permit the proceeding to continue in an orderly and proper manner, and the judge has afforded the alleged contender an immediate opportunity to respond, all of which were filled here.
Can I see
So the court has acted completely appropriately under Rule 110.1 with regard to how it proceeded. Now, I respect the court for bringing this defendant back up to the court again in order to see if we can advance this proceeding or however else the court's going to address it today. But this was a completely appropriate summary contempt proceeding.
Okay, can I ask a question?
Yes.
Yes. Can I know what kind of law are you reading right now?
Rule 110.1.
No, what kind of law?
Rule 110.1.
Can
Ma'am,
I see? It's a black law?
It's Rule
It's a black
110.1.
law, it's for dead people.
Ma'am, I'm not going to answer your questions. You're again disturbing I don't have to.
Yes.
You have no right to ask me a question.
I
You
am
have,
a free
you
woman.
have no right to ask
I
me
am
a
free
question.
woman
Judge,
possessing
my
the
questions
law.
will only be through the court, Your Honor. I will
Okay.
not address or
This is-
engage this defendant directly.
With all the respect to you, you're not a judge, you an employee of Hillsborough Township Corporation.
We're not in Hillsborough. We're in
with
Princeton.
the
You don't even know what
title
town you're
judge. We
in.
know
Stop.
that, right? And
You
the
know-
same, you are working
For who?
for Princeton.
Okay, you
I'm
work
sorry,
for Hillsborough,
Princeton,
I work for
Princeton. I'm
Princeton,
saying
okay.
Hillsborough. Princeton.
All right.
Princeton. You're working for Princeton as well. You're being paid for every session here. So you work for Princeton Corporation, which is registered on Broad Street. You work for Princeton Corporation, which is registered on Broad Street. And you, gentlemen, who are touching my body and you depriving me of my free woman rights, working for the same corporation. So what is going on here?
Okay, and I'm going to schedule you for a contempt hearing on the 21st of May at 2 p.m. I would advise you to...
I didn't contempt, I'm by visit here, I sent you the notification, you were notified. You were notified about that too. Okay, if I want to, I'm a free woman.
From the building.
I am a free woman.
You are...
I am a free woman.
You are...
And I'm here by
Is she
visit
facing-
and you deprive me of my free woman rights.
Corporal Dawson, is she facing
That's
additional charges or do you want to
against
release her
the-
today?
Before that's against the common
I gotta
law.
talk to the judge, I don't know what.
No, she's going to be released from this hearing. We could charge her with resisting or with obstruction.
Okay,
But
Who
we
are
can
you
also
charging?
exercise our discretion, Corporal
are you
Dawson. It's
charging?
going to be up to you if you want, how you want to handle
Okay,
that.
Christopher.
The judge is asking you to release her from the building today. I think that's the most appropriate course of conduct here.
Okay, who are you charging here? Joanna
Sheriff,
Nikodon,
report not
capitalized letter? I'm not the person. I'm really
Good morning, Judge Corsi.
Good morning.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm ready. Thank you so much, Your Honor. I do apologize. We sent the conflict letter to the wrong, to the person the staff attorney that's no longer with Judge Barry. So my sincere apologies. And I thought my paralegal found it, but she probably did not.
Okay. So you may proceed.
Yes, Your Honor. This matter was, a while back, Your Honor, in 2020. This was a legitimation action with petition for legitimation to establish custody, child support, and visitation. Your Honor, when we went to court, Your Honor, we filed a motion to compel, I think in that case, Your Honor, and opposing side, the defendant did not respond. Your Honor, per that order, Your Honor, we ended up filing a petitions, the petitioner ended up filing a motion for contempt. And the judge and Judge Berry granted me that motion. And Your Honor, we attached it to the plaintiff's motion for incarceration, Your Honor, that was attached as Exhibit A. Your Honor, since that time, Your Honor, we've appeared before Judge Berry a few times, Your Honor, and surprisingly, this is the first time Ms. Lott has appeared since that petition, since our trial in 2020. Your Honor, I've tried to reach out to Ms. Lott a few times, Your Honor, to no avail. Your Honor, she's been included on all of the email correspondence with the court. Your Honor, she's willfully failed and refused to pay the attorney fees. Your Honor, last time we were in court, I think Judge Berry, I thought she granted the contempt and stated that because we did request for incarceration, Your Honor, and I guess we're here and just we're asking that Ms. Lott is incarcerated until the $2,755.40 is paid, Your Honor. And Your Honor, I am asking for attorney fees for today. Your Honor, and even me having to file this motion and continue to, I guess, seek attorney fees from Ms. Lott, Your Honor.
What are you asking for today?
Your Honor, Your Honor, for today, Your Honor, I'm asking for $1,500, Your Honor. And I can provide my affidavit to the court, Your Honor. We had to communicate with the court, Your Honor. I've been practicing law since 2008, Your Honor. I've been in good standing since that time. Your Honor, I charge my client a flat fee of the $1,500 just to try to see, just so we can file this motion for incarceration.
Okay. All right, Ms. Lott. Raise your right hand. You swear or affirm the evidence you're about to present in the matter down in hearing should be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Your Honor, are you judging me?
If you want to call it that, but I assume you want to testify on your own behalf.
Yes, I do. And if the attorney is not going to be sworn in, that is a conflict of interest. And I have filed motions. I filed a quo warranto because I have searched for law licenses and I have not found any. There's been no true judges since 1789. And the United States filed a Chapter 11 in 1933, which lost their sovereignty as a government. So I can't even be heard here. I have asked the court to provide me documentation stating that this is an Article 3 court. I have not gotten anything back from the judge with any type of documentation from the Attorney General, from the Secretary of State. You guys have not had permission to try me, and no law is above God's law. So I cannot honor any of your laws. It supersedes every single law that you guys have given me. I have tried to settle this in court. I have filed a fiduciary relationship, 56. I am friends with the IRS. I have attempted to settle with a $20 money order because there is no money with the court, and everything was sent back. So rejection of payment is payment, Your Honor. And my religion strongly prohibits any satanic laws or rituals, and I cannot serve two masters. So either I don't even know what to do here in this matter, because I have asked to be tried in an Article 3 court. This is not a court of equity. God's law trumps all laws made by man. God also says no man should be judged, or you will be judged. This is my religion. I have not broken any of God's laws. I have not estate. So there is nothing that I can do for Miss LaFleur, and I will not be paying it because my God told me not to. He gave me the instructions on what to do, and you guys refused it. You guys refused my quo warranto because it wasn't written in the way that you accepted, but I am not under your laws. I am friends with the IRS. I have sent out my documentation. I have my own contract with myself. I don't have a contract with you guys. I have not signed anything, and I am not a 14th Amendment corporate war citizen. I am a natural person. Miss LaFleur, can you provide me your?
It's St. Fleur. It's St. Fleur. It's not LaFleur. If we're gonna quote all of these articles, make sure you get my name. I'm not sure if any of the articles could tell me, but were you in court?
Questions. I have no further answers for any of your questions. I said what I said. This law does not trump God's law. I'm under God's law, and that's it.
Well, anything further, Ms. St. Louis?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Lott, we have an order that was entered back on February 13th of this year, saying you had 10 days to pay this $2,755.40. Do you have any proof that any payment was made?
I have the proof here, and this was sent back to me. This is the money order that I sent to the court.
That's
Your
that
law-
$20 thing you said?
Yes, it is. That is the settlement that is written in your laws. I did send the thing. They sent it back, and refusal of payment is payment. So I will handle it with the IRS from here.
Well, $20 doesn't equal $2,755.40.
Or any court fees cannot supersede to $20, and that is what I paid as a natural person. I don't know about any U.S. citizen. I'm not a U.S. citizen. I'm a natural person and a private American. Mr. Crump, who is a U.S. citizen, however, has also violated the own court order that he brought into matter, because my child is supposed to go to school in DeKalb County.
Well, that's not before the court today.
Yep. Because, I mean, at this point, I'll take it up with God. I've not committed any crimes under God's law. I have not stolen. I have not bear false witnesses. I have not killed anyone. I have not dishonored my mother and my father, and I have not put any man before God, and I will not put any of you guys before God either.
Fine.
Tyreek, back up. Go back in.
What? All right, Ms. Lott, I'm gonna find you in contempt of court for failure to pay the $2,755.40. Order you incarcerated, that is jailed, until you've paid the money.
I will be taking it up with the IRS, and I will be filing liens because you guys do not have liens over myself, my estate, or my child. So
You'll take it up with the sheriff first.
no, I will not, because the sheriff does not have any jurisdiction.
Turn yourself in, or the sheriff will come out and arrest you.
Jurisdiction over me, and the sheriff does not have any jurisdiction over me.
That's fine. Once you're released, I'll give you 90 days to pay an additional $1,500 for attorney's fees incurred by the plaintiff for today's proceeding. And I'll ask Ms. St. Louis to submit the order.
Will do, Your Honor.
And include in that, the sheriff will notify the court when Ms. Lott has been arrested.
Can you guys provide me with evidence that you are Article 3 court and not a military court?
And we'll send you a copy of the order. Okay. All right. Anything?
It's good seeing you, Judge. It's been a long time, Judge. I hope the government is treating you well.
Yeah, it's the way to go. Thank you.
Happy Thanksgiving.
All right, same to you.
Yeah, we have no further business with the. I have no further business with the court. May I be excused?
You send your order to Miss Carr.
I definitely will.
Okay.
I put my information in the chat, Judge.
All right. Okay, thank you. You're excused.
Thank you.
Is that everything for today?
Yes, Judge, that's it.
All right, Miss Carr.
I'm not threatening you. Say one more word and that's 30 days. 30 days.